Job creation is one of the main areas of focus for this administration. And indeed, we are reaping success from the plans and programs that we have put in place through the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation and in partnership with the private sector. Statin has already reported that the decline in unemployment rate is at 10.4%, the lowest it has been since October 2008. The youth unemployment rate of 25.4% is also the lowest since January 2008, while female employment continues to increase. Importantly, also at October 2017, most of those who gained employment were not public sector employees. This is consistent with the GOJ goal for the private sector to be the principal engine of growth. One of the driving forces behind the lowered unemployment rate is, of course, outsourcing, which the government has identified as a key pillar of the economic growth and job creation strategy. In fact, the ICT BPO sector continued to be a high-performing segment of Jamaica's services industry and has enjoyed the highest employment growth rate of any sector in the last decade. We have already surpassed our target of 11,000 jobs for the 2017-18 fiscal year, with a forecast of 11,665 jobs created as of November 2017. This administration has taken the necessary steps to achieve these results, including the National Outsourcing Strategy, which was adopted in 2015 with the realization that we have to be proactive in promoting, engaging, and winning prospective investors. The strategy has the goal of nearly doubling the employee count of the sector by 2020. Several initiatives have been undertaken by JAMPRO to successfully implement the 5-year national strategy. They include the formation of the IT BPO Task Force and the National BPO Coordinator to drive, oversee implementation, and update the development work plan for the BPO industry. JAMPRO has also recruited an in-market broker to assist with generating sound investment prospects for the sector and has hosted an Isle of BPO career fair which educated an audience of over 1,000 students and unemployed persons about prospects within the industry. We are also moving to strengthen the enabling environment for the sector, including the policy and legislative framework, labor market enhancement, infrastructure development, and market penetration. The Development Bank of Jamaica recently committed $73 million to finance 15 BPO projects island-wide. To date, the DBJ has disbursed over $56.7 million to the BPO sector, which is roughly 78% of its total loan commitments. These loans are being put towards assisting in the build-out and creation of approximately 1.1 million square feet of BPO commercial space, with a projected 24,520 jobs to be created when all projects are completed. Last year, we commenced the development of 63,000 square feet in Montego Bay and the 157,000 square feet at the Nagahead Tech Park in Portmore, which will create a total of 6,000 new jobs by the end of 2018. Another of our agencies, the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, has undertaken to design and construct some 750,000 square feet of BPO space, which will create approximately 20,000 new jobs. The job creation potential of the BPO sector is encouraging and augurs well for the government's prosperity agenda. We have begun to diversify the types of works performed in Jamaica to create more opportunities for tertiary graduates. In this regard, the government, through the Heart Trust NTA, has begun to develop training programs to provide a skilled labor force for the BPO and other sectors. The sky is the limit for the BPO sector, and we intend to capitalize on every aspect of this lucrative industry for the benefit of Jamaica and Jamaicans. This administration came to office on a mandate of economic growth and job creation. In just 2 short years, the economy has begun to grow and thousands of new jobs have been created. As Minister, I remain committed to continue on the path of nation building through economic growth and job creation.